But yeah, we're gonna get started on this. Tearing all this out today. I got the already wrapped around so we don't have to worry about damaging the tub because the tub's gonna stay. And we're gonna put subway tile all the way up and make this a whole shower. And then we're gonna go ahead and tear all this out today. Maybe even get the new waterproof sheetrock put up as well. All right, so really the stud should be like 16 on center. This house was built in 1957 and it was like a custom house. I'm pretty sure the studs are true 2x4s and they're actually gonna be 24 inches on center, but we'll find out. So we're doing subway tile. It's basically gonna mark my lengths to where I wanna cut out, but I feel like I wanna go a little higher than normal. So right now I'm measuring and trying to figure that out. Hey Google.
Hang on while I get connected to Wi-Fi.
What? Hurry up. Google, stop. Alright, there's my stud. That's right. So a little fun history on this. I actually installed this new bathtub and this tile like 4 years ago. But at that point it was a rental and we just bought this house. So we actually bought the house from the landlord. So we kind of bought it as is and we want to remodel some stuff. So we've done a couple little things, but this is the main big project so far. This is this bathroom. Whoa! Whoa! Oh shit. You know what I did? Damn, I just caused a big problem. Alright, so the problem is I actually hit an electrical. I have a switch on the outside of the house here. And apparently I hit it. So now we gotta get in here and see what the frick's going on. Big problem. Oh god, it smells bad too. Alright, so I gotta like cap this off. So now you know if you hit a live electricity with the power on and the Sawzall, you don't die. I didn't even feel it. It's not normal. There's a big window right there. So if I was smart, which I'm not, I guess I would have realized that the power can't just drop straight down the bay. This is bad, boys. This is bad. Good thing I got the jackery right here. This thing has saved so many times. I've seen the inside of a lot of walls, right? This is excessive. I don't even know what the heck this is. This is like tongue and groove. This is like hardwood flooring or something. I don't even get it, man. Alright, so as you know, I cut the wire with my Sawzall. I don't know why there's so many fire blocks in there. Oh, they didn't die. This one I was yank some slack back and give it a connection to where I cut it from. I'm gonna have to install a junction box now on the outside of the house because I'm actually closing off. I have a carport on this side and part of it I'm gonna close off. So I'm just gonna put a junction box and then down the road I'll end up just adding plugs on the outside for a workbench. My dad was watching the live stream, so he's gonna come down and probably help me out with that. But yeah, I'm gonna tear into this wall and see if I can't get some more slack for that one because that one I ended up having to just do like a splice. But I mean, that's only temporary for now. So yeah, I'm gonna tear into these walls some more, so. Okay, need some more chips. Oh, you guys want to know what I'm eating? Oh, I'm eating nothing. That was bad, I know. There's like this little vent there. But it's not really a vent, and it's just funny because I look inside of here and there's like it's an air sponge. Freaking weird. That's where all the spiders live right there. Oh, there's my dad. I can hear his motorcycle.